Morning, y'all. It's a beautiful West Virginia morning. I'm out with the wife and the newest addition to the family, little baby Mason. Hey, buddy. Look at the setup. He's got fans. Oh god, he's gonna be all cool. Anyways, we're going to be trapping for some minnows. I got a fish at home that requires live bait to eat, so yeah. The wife's gonna most likely, for a good portion of this, using the classic bobber and worm because she can outfish me some days with that, and why not? And I'm just gonna go for anything that bites with what I can, besides throwing myself in there and catching them with my teeth. So let's see what we can do. Morning, y'all. It's another beautiful West Virginia morning. This is for real fishing. Comment, subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. All right. Got my minnow basket that I found, ironically, on this river. We're at the Mon River, so yeah. But I found this at a completely different place off this river. Been there for months. Assuming somebody left it there because it was deep, buried in the mud. So we're gonna go get some little itty bitty minnows. All right, there's that. So what I'd like to use is bread, just plain old bread. Take a couple pieces, I usually end up using one slice per. Take it and I make really, really, really tight balls. Giggity. Doesn't matter size, I just kind of grab some, break it off. Yeah. Toss the balls in there. There we go. Right there usually yields a decent amount. Bread's in there, should be attracting some minnows. That way my fish can get some foods. All right. Now we can go fishing. Guess I could throw this chunk of worm.
You got a chunk of worm on there?
Chunk of worm. Just a little half of this yum dinger. And of course it backlashes. Try one of these impulse tubes. We gonna see what it can't do. All right. Tubely tube check. I'll take one. So, I rigged myself a drop shot with this polymer knot. Then put it through, after I made the polymer knot, I put the line back through it and boom. So here's that with this decent weight. We're gonna try it from the shore. Don't really like doing that, but I'd like to catch something. And so I'll be using some Gulp 2.5-inch minnows. So I'm gonna take this minnow.
I may have to switch the bobber off.
Just gonna ease this
I do not want to do that.
a little bit farther.
You know?
So we're gonna see what this can't produce, if anything at all. Oh, that was definitely a hit. Holy got it out. Oh no, I think I lost it. Did I lose it? No, I did not. Haha. Got a little warm mouth. Yeah. Yeah, my catch of the day. Little green sunfish. Take a look at this little tiny buddy. Little green sunfish. Itty bitty. Titty committee. Alright. Man, that thing was as long as him. Alright, so let's go check the minnow trap. There we go. Just in case there's anything in there. Let's see what we got. Only a couple. But that's the name of the game. Looks like we got very, 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 very small green sunfish. Really big green sunfish. We're gonna let him go though. Bye, buddy. So, just get 2 little minnows. Normally I'm doing much better, but number of factors can vary for it. So I'm gonna get all this stuff packed up. Overall, River does sometimes. She giveth and she taketh. She's been giving a lot of stuff to me lately, and well, today she didn't let me have really. So anyways, thanks for watching. This is For Real Fishing.